Unlock the magic with Umorden's Aladdin costume for kids. Welcome, fellow adventurers, to a magical journey into the world of Arabian Nights. If your little one has ever dreamt of embarking on a wondrous adventure, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the enchanting child kids Arabian lamp Aladdin costume by Umorden. This cosplay outfit is not just any costume. It's a gateway to exciting adventures, perfect for Halloween, Purim, carnival festivities, and those spontaneous masquerade dress-up sessions that set young imaginations on fire. But before we delve deeper into the magic, let's talk about something every parent needs to know: the perfect fit. Umorden has you covered with a size chart that ensures your child's comfort. Here's a handy size chart that includes small, S, for heights between 100–115s, medium 115, 130 km, large 130–130, 130–140, 140–115. So you can choose the perfect size. Now, let's talk about what makes this costume truly enchanting. The Aladdin costume is crafted from high-quality polyester fabric, ensuring your child's comfort throughout their adventures. What sets this costume apart is not just its material, but also the brand behind it. Umorden is a name synonymous with quality and attention to detail. Now, let's unveil the treasure within. The package includes a top pants and the iconic hat, everything your child needs to transform into the beloved character from Agrabah. And here's a heartwarming detail: the seller's commitment to your satisfaction. They're quick to address any concerns, ensuring your shopping experience is as magical as the costume itself. Wait, there's more. The Aladdin costume for boys is not just for boys. It's a kid's Aladdin costume, inviting all young adventurers to join in on the magic. In conclusion, Umorden's Aladdin costume for kids is more than just clothing. It's a key to unlocking your child's imagination, taking them on an adventure every day. So, are you ready to grant your child's wish for a magical adventure? Umorden's Aladdin costume for kids is your magic carpet to a world of wonder and delight. And before we go, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this magical journey. And don't forget to share this video with fellow adventurers. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey. Don't miss out on the adventure. Get your Aladdin costume today.